You are watching a T20 cricket match. The batsman smashes a six. The crowd erupts. The momentum shifts. Every ball has the power to change the game. Now, what if I told you that every price movement in the stock market is like one of those game-changing balls? And just like timing determines a batsman's success, Gamma can decide the success or the failure of your option trade. Today we are diving into Gamma, the secret weapon that makes option trading so powerful and so thrilling. So what is Gamma? Gamma is like an acceleration of your options price. If delta is the speed of your car, Gamma is how quickly you are gaining that speed. Gamma tells you how fast delta is changing as the stock price move. Let's see Gamma in action. Imagine HDFC is trading at 2000 rupees. You buy a 2200 call option. At the time of buying, the delta is 0.30. As the stock moves closer to 2200, delta starts increasing, maybe 0.50 or higher. That shift, that's Gamma in action. Just like a T20 match heats up in final overs, Gamma ramps up as your position price moves in your favor. Why does Gamma matter? If you buy an option before earning event and the stock jumps, delta increases rapidly and so does your profit. Gamma reward you when the market moves in your favor. But remember, if the market doesn't move, your Gamma exposure won't pay off. It's like going for a 6. If you miss, you don't score. But if you connect, it's a game changer. Gamma is highest for at the money options. Gamma decreases further if you go in or out of the money. Gamma spikes closer to expiration. Think of a Bollywood movie. As we near the climax, the tension peaks. That's what Gamma does. It brings edge of your seat excitement to trading. Mastering Gamma is like timing your cricket shot just right. You don't swing every ball, but when you do, you make it counts. Let's test our understanding with 5 questions. Question number 1. What does Gamma represent in option trading? A. The change in options value for every 1 rupee movement in the stock price. B. The time decay of an option. C. The rate of change of delta as the stock price moves. Or is it D. The total value of the underlying stock? The answer is C. The rate of change of delta as the stock price moves. Question number 2. If the delta of an option is 0.30 and the stock price moves up, what happens to the delta as the option nears at the money? A. The delta will remain same. B. The delta will decrease. C. The delta will increase. Is it D? The delta will turn negative. The answer is C. The delta will increase. Question number 3. Why does Gamma matter in option trading? A. It tells you how fast your option price changes. B. It helps you to predict the price of an underlying stock. C. It gives you leverage in fast moving market. Or is it D? It controls the time value of the option. The answer is C. It gives you leverage in fast moving market. Question number 4. Where is Gamma typically the highest? A. When the option is deep in the money. B. When the option is far out of the money. C. For the at the money options. Or is it D? At expiration? Answer is C. For at the money option. Question number 5. What happens to Gamma as you approach the expiration date of an option? A. Gamma increases as you approach expiration. B. Gamma stays constant. Or is it C? Gamma decreases as you approach expiration. Or is it D? The Gamma becomes irrelevant. The answer is A. Gamma increases as you approach expiration. How did it go? Share your quiz score in the comments. I'll personally check and guide your progress. If this video helped you to understand Gamma in practical way, share it with a fellow trader. Next up, we tackle the theta, the Greek that show how time eats into your profit. Until then, keep learning, keep winning.